Okay, let's look at some introduction to surd mathematics. So I want to start with if we have 9 and we say the square root of 9, we need a number that can times itself 2 times to give us 9, and that number happens to be 3. So others will have square root of 4 to give us 2. The square root of a number 16 will give us 4. Okay, let's go to something like a bigger number. Square root of 81 will give us 9. So surd came apart when we have something like the square root of 12 that can't really give us anything in a whole number. So I want to simplify it in this manner, that 12 is 3 multiplied by 4. I do it in a way so that I'll bring out something that has a square root. So multiplication of surd, the surd rule say that when we have a multiplication this way, we can separate the two terms, the two digits in different surds. So I can have something like this: root 3 multiplied by root 4. So it means root 3 multiplied by root 4 will give us 2. So in essence, this is 2 root 3. This is how it is being written. So quickly, let's look at how to rationalize a surd. So in case we have a question this way, that we should put this in a simple term. Now in surd answers, we don't always leave the answer where surd form is in the denominator. So we always want everything in the denominator to be a whole number. And how do we do this? We can say we solve this by rationalizing this term. Rationalization means multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by what we have here, so that we can eliminate the surd at the denominator. So what do I mean? The denominator here is root 2, so I multiply what's up here with root 2 and multiply what is down here with the same root 2. So in this case, it means 1 times root 2 will give us root 2, and in this case we have root 2 times root 2 to give us root of 2 times 2, and that will give us root of 4. And we already know that square root of 4 is 2, so root 2 times root 2 over 2. That's the answer to this one. So in this case, in this demonstration, we learned that root of a number times root of that same number will give you the number, removing the root. So root 2 times root 2 will give you 2. Root 9 times root 9 will give you 9. Root 100 times root 100 will give you 100. Root 0.5 times root 0.5 will give you 0.5, and that's the case. Okay, let's look at another example. In case we have something like root 6 all over root 2. Now we want to eliminate a surd at the bottom. So how do we do this? I need to multiply both sides by root 2 and root 2. So we already know that this will give us 2, because root 2 times root 2 will give us 2 only. Then we have this one, root 6 times root 2 will give us, put this in short form, root 6 times root 2, 6 times 2, and then it will give us root 12 all over 2. So we already know that root 12 from what we solved earlier. Root 12 will give us 2 root 3. So that's how it gave us 2 root 3 all over 2. Now 2 can divide all, and what we have remaining here is root 3. Thank you so much, and come back next time for any questions you're going to solve in later. And ask your questions in the comment section, like our video, share our video. Come back next time. Thank you guys.